Welcome to Money Creators, where we dive deep into the financial wisdom of the world's greatest minds. Today, we're breaking down 5 powerful steps from Warren Buffett that can help you build wealth, even if you're not an entrepreneur. Whether you're working a 9 to 5 or hustling in a side gig, these golden rules will set you on the path to financial freedom. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's get started. Number 1. Develop the habit of saving. This is the starting point for all successful people and makes a huge difference between those who achieve great things in life and those who always live in need. Warren Buffett is a strong advocate for developing the habit of saving as a fundamental element for financial success. He emphasizes that saving regularly is crucial for building wealth over time. Buffett advises us to set aside a portion of our income, no matter how small it may be, and invest it wisely. Even small savings can grow gradually over the years thanks to the power of compound interest. Always remember that it's not about the amount but the consistency with which you do it. Even if it's $10, $20, $50, $100, or $500 per month, if you do it consistently, believe me, you will be creating the initial habit and can increase that amount over time. As Warren Buffett said, saving requires discipline, but freedom also requires discipline. If your excuse is that you only earn $500 per month and can barely make it to the end of the month, your mind is trying to sabotage everything. Don't allow that. Even if you earn $300 or $500, save 5%, 10%, or 15% to start. I just want you to create the habit of doing this consistently at this starting point because it will have a significant impact on your financial situation in the future. Persistence and consistency are crucial for achieving long-term financial success, and by developing the habit of saving early on, you'll be getting closer and closer to building wealth and achieving your financial goals throughout your life. Number 2. Spend less than you earn. Completely eliminate unnecessary expenses, also known as small expenses. Buffett emphasizes the importance of spending less than you earn as a fundamental principle to achieve financial stability and build wealth. He advises that to achieve long-term financial success, it's essential to maintain a mindset of moderation and avoid excessive consumption. This involves the discipline of living life without overspending, controlling frivolous expenses, and prioritizing investing your money rather than spending it impulsively. For Buffett, this prudent approach is the foundation for accumulating capital that can later be directed towards intelligent investments that generate returns over time. Furthermore, Warren Buffett also highlights that the habit of spending less than you earn is a crucial step toward financial independence. He teaches us that by saving regularly, you can create a financial cushion that allows you to face unexpected challenges, emergencies, and take advantage of investment opportunities as they arise. This principle is not just about expense control but also about gradually accumulating resources that can be used to create a financially solid future. Unnecessary expenses are those that don't add value to your life or that you could do without significant loss. This may include impulse purchases, unused subscriptions or services, expensive entertainment, or eating out too frequently. And, of course, living in a world of appearances where you need to buy things you don't need to impress people who may not even care about you. Therefore, seriously evaluate this point and apply the following rules before buying anything in your life. Number 3. Don't buy something twice up front. If you can't afford to buy something twice up front, don't buy it. This is the golden rule for those who want to maintain a healthy financial life. Essentially, it means that you should be able to purchase something with the money you have available at the moment and still have savings left to be able to buy it again. This mainly applies to things that are not essential for your survival. For example, don't buy a $30,000 car if you've only saved $20,000. From a financial perspective, this is a poor decision because you'll be going into debt and will be financially tight in the coming months and years unless you use the car as an income-generating asset. However, if you want a vehicle for personal use and have $20,000, buying a $5,000 motorcycle, for instance, would be an expense you can comfortably afford. Remember, if you can't afford something twice up front, it's a sign that you're stretching your budget too far or living beyond your means. Buying something you can't comfortably afford could lead to debt accumulation and ultimately affect your ability to save and achieve your long-term financial goals. The idea behind this rule is that you should be able to buy what you need without taking on debt or compromising your future finances. This way, you'll be in a strong position to build a stable and secure financial life. Number 4. Distance yourself from negative people. Distance yourself from negative people in life. You will meet people who are better than you in various areas. Learn from them and don't feel intimidated. Be grateful for having friends you can learn and grow with. This was another great quote by Warren Buffett. To achieve financial freedom, you often have to distance yourself from friends who are constantly complaining, those who are competing to see who bought the best and who seems to have more. Steering clear of people who complain and joining those who seek success is an effective way to improve your life and achieve your goals. People who complain all the time can be negative and toxic, while those who seek success generally have a positive attitude and a focus on growth and learning. Therefore, never join people who only complain, who are just waiting for the weekend to party, show off appearances, and don't care about their finances, let alone their future. This is a poor way to relate to others. Surround yourself with winners, and you will become a winner. Number 5. Learn to invest and start your own. Learn to invest and start your business. Buffett always emphasizes the importance of continuous education. He believes that before investing in anything, it's crucial to deeply understand what you're doing. He encourages us to read extensively about finance, business, and economics, and to seek knowledge constantly. Additionally, Buffett teaches that patience is a virtue in business and investments. We should not follow trends for the sake of fashion or make impulsive decisions, but rather have a long-term approach and strategy to increase our chances of success in our investment choices. Starting your own business is an excellent way to take control of your own financial future. By creating your own business, you're taking charge of your income and career, putting your energy and resources into a project that is yours and can bring many financial and personal rewards. There are many advantages to starting your own business, including the potential for unlimited income, meaning there's no established limit like in a job. Moreover, you'll have the ability to make decisions independently. Having your own business also gives you the freedom to choose your own hours and work on projects you love. While it's not entirely easy, it's not the most challenging thing in the world or something impossible either. Set your mind to it that you will succeed, because if you're good and responsible working for someone else, why not do it working for yourself? Becoming rich while being employed is entirely possible if you follow these 5 golden steps. By investing in yourself, maximizing your income, saving and investing wisely, building multiple income streams, and living below your means, you can steadily accumulate wealth over time. Remember that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint, and discipline and patience are your best allies on this journey to financial success. If you enjoyed today's information, don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe. See you in the next video.